Welcome back to my channel where I do healthy lifestyle videos that have new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, and a look into my crazy life. Well, if you read the caption, you know I got my biopsy results back. And today is Friday the 13th. It's in the morning. Mandy's wedding is tomorrow. We've got the rehearsal dinner tonight. And I received the phone call from the Cleveland Clinic, and I was, trying to read into this woman's voice. Did she sound like she felt sorry for me? Did she sound happy? But the upshot is, it's benign. It's benign. I don't have my cancer back. I was so sure that it was back because it was the same calcifications in the same spot. And when I had my diagnostic mammogram, the doctor came to talk to me, and she didn't really have great bedside manner, but she was just basically like, it's in the same spot, it looks the same. So I was just 100% certain that it was back. And when that lady who called me said it was benign, I didn't realize how much I had bottled up inside. Because the dam broke, and I started bawling my eyes out to this poor lady who doesn't know me from Adam, and told her between sobs that my daughter was getting married tomorrow, and it was the best gift she could have given me. I had already put my health 5 steps down the road. I already pictured myself with a double mastectomy. One thing I haven't told you guys, Mike and I have a Vegas trip planned in a couple weeks, the beginning of October. I had already been for sure gonna have to cancel that. And I was bottling up so much, just trying to keep it together. Well, it was the biggest gift they could have given me, and now I can start to breathe again, and I can enjoy my daughter's day, and I can start bringing you more fun videos with recipes and stuff, not all this cancer stuff. Oh my God. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys reached out to me. You messaged me on Facebook. You commented under my videos telling me that you were praying for me and that I was on your mind. And thank God, I think somebody was listening to the prayers. And I have to think maybe my mom and dad in heaven were watching down on me too. So I wanted to, give you this video after I had showered and got ready for rehearsal dinner, but so many of you had expressed concern, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be okay. And what a relief. But, it was kind of funny yesterday. So I met my daughter and her maid of honor at the hotel, and we were gonna set up the tables and stuff. So they had me downstairs kind of watching the stuff while they were hauling things up to the ballroom, and I was talking to the wedding event planner who I told about me having this breast biopsy and me probably finding out that I have my cancer back the day of Mandy's rehearsal dinner. And she just looked at me and she said, no. She goes, no, you're gonna be okay. You don't have your cancer back. She just said it so definitively that for the first time I started to hope. And now I can start to sleep at night. I can start to think of something that doesn't involve surgery. So happy. And I can get ready and enjoy my daughter's weekend. Again, thank you to all of you. And I will film a little bit over this weekend. Obviously, when I'm at the wedding, I won't really be having my phone in my hand all the time, but I will definitely send you some clips of Mandy's wedding and maybe even a little bit of me getting ready tomorrow when I'm fixing my hair like Hollywood glam. So again, just wanted to let you guys know, I know a lot of you have been thinking about me and I appreciate everything. Thank you again. And I promise my next videos, they're gonna be happy ones. All right, I'm gonna say goodbye for now and I will see you next time.